ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో NBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Very good morning. Welcome to Web Technologies class. In this class we will start second unit of Web Technologies. Okay, second unit is about JavaScript. What is JavaScript? We will see in detail. This is the syllabus of the JavaScript. Okay, the basic. Okay, now onwards you will take keep your notes for JavaScript. Okay, every day after completion write some more programs and theory concepts related to JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript. Here we will see the contents of the syllabus are: the first one is the basic of JavaScript, next one is objectives, next primitive operations and expressions, screen output and keyboard input, control statement, object creation and modification, arrays, functions, constructors, pattern matching using regular expressions. The last topic is DHTML, Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language. DHTML stands for Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language, position and moving changing elements. Now we are on the screen, we are seeing these are the contents of the JavaScript. First of all, what is JavaScript? First, what is the why we are learning this concept JavaScript? Okay, adding styles we have learned cascading style sheet. Okay, why we are learning JavaScript? Okay, this is mainly because of adding interactiveness to web pages. JavaScript is the main purpose of the JavaScript is adding interactiveness to the web pages. Okay, in this session we will see introduction topic to the JavaScript. Next onwards, every class we will cover three topics. Okay, within 2 weeks this unit will be covered. Okay, now we will see introduction to the JavaScript. Okay, in web page JavaScript is nothing but the first point. JavaScript is a client-side scripting programming language. JavaScript is a client-side scripting language. Okay, for designing client-side verification we use JavaScript. Okay, one of the well-known example of the JavaScript is, suppose we are filling the form, certain field is not filled. By mistake we clicked the submit button. At that time it will prompt, okay, fill this field. This is because of JavaScript only. Okay, number of concepts is there, very easy concept and scoring unit like first unit Java. This is JavaScript. We will see introduction to JavaScript in this session. Introduction to JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript. The first thing we have to know about JavaScript is JavaScript is used in millions of web pages to improve the design, validate forms, detect browsers, create cookies and much more. JavaScript is mainly, what is the location of this JavaScript? JavaScript is used in web pages. We are doing with web technologies, designing of web pages. JavaScript is used in millions of web pages to improve the design, validate forms. The main functions of the JavaScript are these: validate forms, detect browsers, create cookies. What is cookies? We will see those topic later. detect browsers, create cookies, and much more. JavaScript is the most popular scripting language on the internet. Okay, and works in all major browsers. All browsers will support this JavaScript. Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape, Opera, like that. All major browsers support this JavaScript. Okay, what is JavaScript? This is the main purpose of the JavaScript. JavaScript was designed to add interactivity to HTML pages. Interactivity to HTML pages means what is the interactivity to HTML page? Suppose I want to click submit button means okay, some action to be, some pre-verification before submitting the data, some verification to be done. I want to add two numbers. In one text box I will enter 2, in another text box I will enter 3. I will press the add button. Whenever I press the add button, 2 plus 3 will come into third text box. Okay, this is called interaction. First point, what is JavaScript means? JavaScript was designed to add interactivity to HTML page. Next, JavaScript is a scripting language. Okay, a scripting language is a lightweight programming language. Okay, what is a scripting language? Okay, we know that we have studied various languages like C, C++. In there, number of concepts is there, but here not that many number of concepts. Some lightweight programming language. Okay, it is used in client side for scripting. Okay, second point, JavaScript is a scripting language. Next, JavaScript consists of lines of executable computer code. Okay, just if we will observe the code of the files, it will contain lines of code, executable computer code. Okay, JavaScript usually embedded. Okay, what is the location of this JavaScript? In HTML pages, we will write this JavaScript. JavaScript is a interpreted language. Okay, JavaScript is interpreted language means that script executes without preliminary compilation. No compilation is required. Just it will execute interpretedly immediately. Everyone can use JavaScript without purchasing a license. It is a open source. No need to purchase. No need to purchase software like other languages. If we have to use some Microsoft tools means we want to learn .NET means we have to purchase something. We want license. For this one, there is no license is required. Okay. This is about JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript is mainly designed for interactivity. It is a scripting language. Scripting language means not that much of concepts is there in like programming languages. Okay, JavaScript consists of lines of code. Okay, just it can be embedded in HTML pages. JavaScript is a interpreted language. Okay, there is no types in JavaScript. Okay, we will see. One of the first point about JavaScript is a interpreted language. JavaScript is a client-side programming language. One use, there is no license is required. Everyone use JavaScript without purchasing a license. Okay, what is JavaScript? And you have to answer these questions. You have to say these questions. First point, once again I am repeating these points. Okay, if you have any doubt, okay, repeatedly view the same video. What is Java? The name of the unit is JavaScript. Okay, what is JavaScript? Okay, okay, we will see later all other concepts. The answer to this one is unit 2 is JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is designed to add interactivity to HTML pages. JavaScript is designed to add interactivity to HTML pages. Okay, what is interactivity to HTML pages? In HTML page, so many requirements is there. One requirement is I want to implement calculator program in HTML page. I want to perform for the given number, I want to print the multiplication table. Right, design a HTML page to print the multiplication table for the given number. Okay, like that interactivity. When user can interact with that one, it will produce some other results based on the interaction. JavaScript is designed to provide interactivity to HTML pages. JavaScript is a scripting language. Okay, PHP is there, JavaScript is there. Okay, first understand this is the basic concept. In client server environment, client side we will use JavaScript. Okay, nowadays we are using React JS. A number of concepts is there related to extension of JavaScript. Number of concepts is there. Server side is also using only specially React JS is the entirely designed in JavaScript only for server side programming. Okay, what is the server? What is the server side programming? These are the buzzwords we will see later. Okay, first you will say this point. JavaScript is a scripting language. Scripting language for client side. JavaScript is a client side scripting language. Next, JavaScript is embedded. What is the location? JavaScript is embedded in HTML page. Like HTML, we will write a one script tag. Script slash script. Between this, we can specify the JavaScript. Okay, this point is JavaScript is usually embedded in HTML pages. Next point, JavaScript is a interpreted language. JavaScript is interpreted language. Compiled language and interpreted language. Two types of languages is there. Compiled languages and interpreted languages. What is the compiled language? Okay, the language we can convert that one into another form, object code. That object code is given to the machine. The machine will execute that code. Those type of languages are called compiled languages. C is a compiled programming language. Java is a compiled programming language. Okay, but JavaScript is not a compiled programming language. It is a interpreted programming language. Okay, first line directly, there is no need compilation. First line directly converted into the machine code and it can be executed. After that, second line is converted into the machine code and it is executed. Next, third line is converted into the machine code and it can be executed. JavaScript is a interpreted language. Everyone can use, no license is required. Everyone can use JavaScript without purchasing a license. Are Java and JavaScript the same? In JavaScript, Java term is there. Is it Java and JavaScript are the same? No. A lot of difference is there. Java and JavaScript are two completely different languages in both concept and design. So much of difference is there between Java and JavaScript. Okay. Java and JavaScript are two completely different languages in both concept and design. Java was developed by Sun Microsystems, is a powerful and much more complex programming language, the same category as C and C++. Okay, both of them are not same. Java and JavaScript are not same. Java and JavaScript are not same. So much of difference is there. Java is a powerful programming language. Okay, it can be used in multiple applications. Just JavaScript is used in client-side programming in web browsers. Okay, Java was who is the developer of Java? Java was developed by Sun Microsystems. It has so many concepts is there, much more is there. It is a full-fledged programming language. Now we will see the first program on JavaScript. Okay, first the structure within the HTML only we can write the JavaScript. Next, all the script lies between script and slash script tag. Script is the tag element. Script and slash script. Okay, script language equal to JavaScript slash script. Language equal to JavaScript is optional. Two types of scripts is there. Popular scripts, JavaScript and VB script. We are not now at this point. We are not concerned with the VB script. JavaScript we are seeing just language equal to JavaScript. If it is VB script, language equal to VB script. Okay, we will see the first program. Just all of the files we will do here in unit 2. In mvrwt I am created the folder unit 2 JavaScript. In this one my JS, edit with notepad+. Okay, here we will see the first one, This is the structure of the HTML page. HTML slash HTML, head slash head, body slash body. Between the body and slash body, okay, the actual scripting is there. Only one statement is there. Okay, script language equal to JavaScript. Writing language equal to JavaScript is optional. You may write any number of scripts. Default, by default, script script slash script. Okay, you may write any scripts in a web page, no problem. Okay, script and slash script. Okay, language equal to JavaScript is optional. By default, the scripting language is JavaScript only. Documented at first statement we are learning here in JavaScript is document. Document is the one object. Document dot write. What it will write? Document dot write H1 within the H1 header. HTML formatting is also not possible. H1 slash H1 Srinivas. Okay, here the statement is document.write. Welcome to JavaScript CSC students. Within the second script I have written H1. Welcome to Srinivas. Okay, other normal text we may write here. This is non-script data. It is not lies between the script and just within the body it is there. Okay, I am saving this file. Now run this file. Go to this one. How to run this file? Go to the browser here. Press F5 button. Welcome to JavaScript CSC student. This is non-script data Srinivas. HTML formatting is also possible. This is the first file. Okay, very important one. Very important one. One of the line in scripting is in order to print output on the browser document.write. Document. Repeatedly saying 3 times I am saying document.write. 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 Using this statement we can print something onto the screen. This is the first HTML program. Once again I am saying this one same program. We will see the different parts of this one. Header section slash head starts with HTML and slash HTML, head and slash head, nothing is there. Okay, if you want nothing means just optional. Body, this is the first script language equal to JavaScript. Writing language equal to JavaScript is optional. Okay, I am not interested to write that statement means just skip, no problem. Okay, the default scripting is JavaScript only. Okay, document.write, whatever we have given that will be written onto the browser. Document.write, just welcome to the JavaScript. Next, I want to break here. BR means next line. Within the next line it will come. Okay, slash script, script slash script document.write H1 Srinivas. Okay, if I will give here H2 means H2 slash H2, within H2 header it will come. Okay, document.write H2 slash H2 Srinivas. Any number of scripts are also possible in a web page. Okay, this is the our first program. Script. Okay, this is the main script language equal to JavaScript. Document.write. Welcome to JavaScript. Some matter slash of script. The script lies between script and slash script tag. This is about the first program in JavaScript. Okay, do yourself will do document.write within the inverted commas write some matter. Okay, CSC students document.write roll number 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Anything you will write on the document.write it will be printed document.write statement. Okay, next we will see some more examples on JavaScript. Next we will go to next class onwards. We will start the concepts in this JavaScript. Second program in JavaScript. Okay, write a program to perform addition of two numbers. Okay, later some complexity is there, some little bit programming concept. Just we will see how to perform the addition. Write a JavaScript, develop a HTML page which contains scripts which have to perform addition of two numbers. Okay, in JavaScript, in C language, integer variables are declared with the keyword int, or floating point numbers are declared using float, character type variables are declared using char. Whereas here in JavaScript, any type of variable, it may be integer, character, float, string, whatever it may be, any type of variable can be declared using the keyword var, where using where means variable, using var keyword, keyword we can declare variables. Okay, how to perform this operation we will see in this program. Okay, document.html, JavaScript statements. In the body, I am putting the heading as there is no header section, just within the body, JavaScript statements. Okay, paragraph. A JavaScript program. A JavaScript program can be appeared in bold. A list of statements to be executed by a computer. All this is under one paragraph. Okay, in this one, it will be applied these statements and JavaScript as bold letters. Okay, by in italics. In order to get text in italics, I will write between slash and slash I and slash I. By Srinivas. Okay, if you want to get underline means two. If you use u slash u means underline will come. CSE fourth year sem 1 students. This th I want a superscript. For superscript I use this tag sup, superscript, sup slash sup, sup slash sup, superscript will come. Fourth year sem 1 students. Save to CSC fourth year sem 1 students. Okay, this actually scripting, this is the ID, P, ID equal to demo slash P, one paragraph, nothing is there here. Okay, I will update here. I will write some matter at the time of running this program. I will write some matter between this P and slash P. ID, what is the ID of this one? Demo. Okay, demo, or I will write CSC. ID of this paragraph is CSC. Okay, script XYZ. This is the starting of the script. I have declared three variables. What is the name of the variables? X, Y, Z. Declare three variables. X equal to 5. The value of X is 5. Y equal to 6. X plus Y. Suppose X equal to 50. Y equal to 60. Z equal to X plus Y. I am performing the sum. 50 plus 60. Okay, 50 plus 60 will store in Z. Okay, now I want to print these values. Okay, these values can be printed using this one. Document.get element by ID. Okay, this is a very important one in JavaScript. In JavaScript, very important one is get element by ID. Get element by ID means suppose at some point in HTML I am give the ID as some MBR. Okay, that content can be retrieved using get document by get element by ID. Get element by ID. Okay, this is a very important function, get element by ID. Document dot get element by ID. What is the name of the ID? Demo. Here I am changing the what is the name, I am changing CSC. Get element by ID CSC dot inner HTML. Okay, I want to set this value to the inner HTML. The value of Z is here, plus is the concatenation operator. Okay, plus Z plus closing this one dot slash script. Okay, the value of Z is, this will be printed. The value of Z is 110. 110 will come there. Okay, so just my.js to all JavaScript files. Whatever the scripting files I am writing, whatever the files I am explaining to you, all of them are available in department shared folder. Go to unit 2. Just in lab, unit 2 folder is there. Go to that unit 2 folder. What is the name of this folder? Unit 2 JavaScript. The same folder, every time I will update this folder, unit 2 JavaScript. Okay, unit 2 JavaScript, I will update it. If you want this program means, you may go unit 2 JavaScript. This folder is there. Same folder I will upload to the your lab folder. Okay, if you want, you may go through that files. Okay, now here we are doing this one. We are printing the sum. The value of Z is like this. We will see various possible combinations. Now running the program. How to run the program? Go to this folder, unit 2 JavaScript, my.js2, my JavaScript 2. Okay, just okay, open. A JavaScript program is list of statements to be executed by a computer by Srinivas. Observe the font Srinivas is italics. To CSE fourth year students. CSE fourth year students, fourth year someone is in underline. It is because you. The value of Z is 110. Okay, the value of Z is 110. Okay, it is possible to write another way also. Okay, we will see that one here. Document dot, next some printing the output in some different manner. Document dot, okay, document is the object. On that object, this is the method get element by ID. Okay, I will create another ID. What is the name of the another ID? MVR. I will create another ID. Dot inner HTML. Inner HTML means I am setting the HTML. Inner HTML. The sum of sum of sum of end. Okay, this is the concatenation. In JavaScript for concatenation we will use this one. X plus and is a string. The string can be specified within double quotations. And plus y plus is the sum of x and y is sum of x and y is, next once again press the plus z plus dot. If semicolon is optional, if a line contains more than one two lines means we have to place semicolon. Okay, semicolon, placing the semicolon is optional. If more than one or two lines means we have to keep semicolon. We will see. Okay, sum of x and y is okay. What is the ID? MVR. Is there an ID here? No. Paragraph ID equal to MVR slash P. Okay, paragraph ID equal to MVR slash P. Now we will open this one and run the same file. We will see the output. Just press the refresh button. Okay, nothing will come. Why so? Sum of x and y is okay. We will keep at the top. Sum of 50 and 60 is 110. Okay, if we want to some a little bit of space between these means we have to write like this. Okay, here if you will give some space means space will come here, space will come like this, control S. Okay, F5. Okay, sum of 50 and 60 is 110. The value of Z is 110. Okay, like this output will come. Okay, now we will see various combinations. Okay, this is the output. Now we will see, suppose here both of them are integer. Okay, here the first one is 2.3, second one is 60. Control S. What will happen? Press the F5 button. Sum of 2.3 and 60 is 62.3. Okay, very good. Okay, to floating point number and integer is also addition is also possible. Okay, next one we will see sum of not that one, MVR and 60. In X variable I have kept the string MVR. In Y 60, Z equal to MVR plus 60. What will happen? Is there any error or it will display as it is? We will see. Refresh. Press the F5 button. Sum of MVR and 60 is MVR 60. The value of Z is 60. If we perform addition of two integers, integer will come. Addition of the floating point and integer means both of them will added. Addition of string plus integer means both of them are concatenated. One is Srinivas, another is 30 means Srinivas 30 will come. Srinivas plus 30. Okay, concatenation, string concatenation will occur. Okay, this is the second program in JavaScript. Okay, in like this we will see the number of programs in JavaScript unit 2. Okay, do okay in this session I am covered just addition only. Yourself will try for multiplication, division, remainder operators. We will see next various other concepts in this one. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.